Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to display the ASCII values of all alphabets. See, I just want to display the ASCII values of all alphabets. We know already the ASCII value of A is a 65, B is a 66 and so on, and that capital Z is a 90. So all uppercase alphabets ASCII values I want to display. See here, how many times we need to repeat the loop. So total we have 26 alphabets. So that 26 times you have to repeat the loop. Right here, starting with A and ending with a Z. Right, we know the starting point and we know the ending point. So we decided that loop is a for loop. And where it starts with? It starts with A. And where it ends with? Ends with a Z. And it is an increasing order. So the modify operator we are using is a plus plus. So now we can write the code. So we can repeat the loops not only based on the integers, right? We can repeat the loops based on the characters also. For character, I'm taking any character, CH is equals to starting with capital A. And here it is that character should ends with capital Z. Right, is keep on increasing A, B, C, D. Whenever it reaches Z, it will stop. And here it is a CH plus plus. Every time we are increasing by 1, A become B, C, D up to Z. And we are printing simply that CH. See, if you print only CH value first capital A, next capital B, capital C, capital D, and so on, it is printing. But here it is, my requirement is, I want to display that ASCII value along with the character. So I'm just giving, right here it is one separator, colon, then A colon, B colon, C colon, like that it will display, C colon and all. Now right side again I'm concatenating the character CH. Then see here it will print left side is a alphabet and the right side is also it is printing the alphabet. But now that right side alphabet I want to convert into integer. I want to convert into integer. We know how to convert the character into integer. Just like this, converting the character into integer by casting. So what will happen? The left side is alphabet will print and right side is the corresponding ASCII value will print. So this is the way we are printing, right? ASCII values of all alphabets. Hope you understood. Please practice and check the output.